as you can see, I am all finished styling this unit that was sent over from KlaiyiHair, and I am really feeling this unit. One of my favorite things about it is the density. I feel like the density of this unit is on point, okay? It is 150% density and it feels great. This unit is 24 inches long. Ooh, she is long, like she is coming down to my waist, like. This unit is long. She has a lot of length to her. She is coming down like to the end of my waist. So she is definitely long. And she has these beautiful like honey blonde highlights going throughout her. And I love it. So I did try to look up the price information for this unit for you on their website, but because this is a new arrival, I did not see it on there yet. So the price and some other details for this unit will either be on the screen or in the description box below. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in picking her up. I did not get a lot of shedding or tangles from this unit, and she is feeling really great. Just my hand is just gliding through her. And as I mentioned, I really like the fullness of this unit. She is not too thin. Sometimes you can get a straight unit and it's like, you could have had some more hair on this. But no, this one feels really nice. It has a very natural luster to it. Like even with my lights, it's not coming across shiny at all. And of course, because it is a headband wig, it is super beginner friendly and very convenient. It's like your 5-minute hairstyle, you throw on and go. But they did send over a few more, which I always like and appreciate. So let's jump into some of these different headband looks. So beauties, that does bring us to the end of this video. I am seriously in love with this hair and how sleek and full it is. It is really nice. So if you're interested in picking up this unit, then please check out the description box below. There will be a link where you can directly purchase it and also a coupon code for you to use when you check out. I really have no cons about this unit. I did experience some mild shedding as I was, switching up some of the headbands and the hairstyles, but that was about it. This unit is definitely a win for me, so check out that description box down below. I would once again like to thank KlaiyiHair for sending over this unit and sponsoring today's video. Thank you for making it to the end of today's video and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you guys in the next one.